What's up, Dividend Nomads? It's Friday night right now here in China, which means there in America it's probably Friday morning, and you're probably going to work. But I have a silent employee that never asks for days off, never called in sick, and that's my portfolio. I just got paid today from XDTE, which wasn't a lot of money, but it's just like a reminder that like having freedom, not having to go to that stupid job anymore, it's really just a math problem. So I'm going to share with you today the payment I just received from XDTE, the payments I received from other things this week, and how the portfolio is doing so far for the month. And also, I just added a brand new position, which actually isn't even an income ETF. So I'm doing something very different with this portfolio right now, and I'm going to share all those things with you guys in today's video. So let me record the screen on the phone. I'm going to share the portfolio with you. Then I'll take you behind the scenes into the spreadsheet and share with you what everything looks like behind the scenes. So let's do that really quick. 3, 2, 1, bam. So here we are in Charles Schwab. I'll refresh it for you. Like I said, this is now, well, it's actually 9:40 in the evening here. XDTE 1,090 shares. SGov 150 shares. This is just where I store my extra cash, like a high yield savings account. Maggie 115 shares. And then here's the new position, SCHX, which is basically the S&P 500 plus the next 250. So it's the top 750 stocks in the stock market. And this basically does the exact same thing SPY does, or SPOG. It's pretty much the exact same performance, identical performance. And I got 200 shares of that, brand new. And then lastly, I have SPYI, which I have 100 shares of. So also, as you can see, I have $2,068 in cash that I can put into these more ETFs. So I'm looking to deploy that cash as well. So if I take you over here to the history, you can see right there, January 16th, XDTE just paid me $125. So not a big payment this week. They did have a smaller distribution, but that's okay. I'm okay with that because this portfolio is still providing me with a decent amount of income. And that's fine with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you into the spreadsheet and share with you guys behind the scenes of this portfolio and what it's actually look like, the performance and all that stuff, and all the position details and stuff. But I share these numbers with you guys each and every single week because I want you to see like what this journey looks like and what moving towards this I guess you could say like an unconventional path looks like. When I say unconventional path, I'm talking about living out of your portfolio and not having to rely on your job. And I have a lot of people ask me about this kind of stuff, about about living out a portfolio, or even if they are living out a portfolio. I know a lot of people aren't even happy with the way their lives are going. So I literally sit down and wrote like this letter about living an unconventional life, as well as a lot of questions that I think will help people decide or actually get some clarity on what to do with the dividends, with the money, how to live the life that they want. So I put that in the description for free if you guys want to check it out. So anyway, I'm going to share with you guys the behind the scenes right now of the portfolio, if I can get the screen to record. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, so here is the spreadsheet for this account. So as you can see here, you can't see it probably. I need to make it bigger for you guys. Let's put it at 150. So there's XDTE. the 1090, Maggie, the 115, SPYI, 100, SGov, 150, and new position, SCHX. So first of all, why did I decide to add SCHX? Because SCHX, like I said, it's the S&P 500 plus 250, so the top 750 stocks in the entire stock market. And this is uncapped upside. And if the market's going to go up, this is definitely going to go up. And one of the reasons why I also chose this is because the tech stocks are in here. So if tech goes up, this goes up. But if tech goes down, this could still go up because it's not overly like tech dominant. So this kind of protects me either way, unless the entire market goes down. But it is uncapped growth, and I want some growth in the portfolio. I don't want to, just stick with the dividends because I've seen how they perform over time. But I do need the high yield dividend income, and so this growth can kind of smooth things out. So let's go over here and check out the performance right now. We can see XDTE, we have a positive return of 9.44%. That's total return. Market return is down. It had a special end of year dividend the last couple weeks, and it was massive, and it came out of the NAV, and it really drug the return of this down. Let me get a drink of water. So next we got Maggie. Total return minus 0.6%, not too bad. SPYI, we're positive, just over 0.5%. I haven't received any dividends from this yet, so that should be coming soon. I'm looking forward to seeing what that's going to look like. SGov, this is just basically my high yield savings account. This is where I store cash. And SCHX is the brand new position that I literally just started, and we're already up 0.75%. And then lastly, you can see my portfolio allocation over here. We have the 51%, 7%, 6.2 on SPYI, 17. What's going on? 17 on SGov, and another 6 on SCHX. And if we go over here to the dividend log, and I'll share with you guys exactly how much I've got paid so far. If we look down here for 2026, you can see this is January. So far, XDTE has paid me $2,427. And Maggie has paid me $73.75. Now, I will get a payment from SPYI, and SGov will also pay me like a 4% yield, so I'll get some payment there too. SCHX, it does have a small dividend, but I'm not sure when it pays. It's only quarterly, so it might not be now. I don't think it's going to be till maybe March. So I am expecting SPY, SGov to bring in 2 payments. And then if we check out let's check the calendar. We're going to get 2 more payments from XDTE this month. And we should get 2 more from Maggie as well. So we're going to get 4, 5, 6 more payments this month on top of what we received already, which is $2,500 so far. And I still got 6 more payments coming. So for me, this is more than enough. Here where I live, I pay about $1,200 to $1,400 per month. Is my total living cost. Living in this apartment and living here in China and doing all the things I do, doing what I want to do. This covers it, more than covers it. And this isn't my only portfolio either. So you guys know that I have several portfolios. But this is what this is all about, is trying to earn money so we can live the life we want without having to be tied to a job, man. And so, anyway, that's really all I got for you guys, man. Let me know what you think below about the new edition of SCHX. And I'd love to hear what you got going on in your portfolio down below as well. And I'd also love to hear from you if you want to download the free letter that I wrote with some questions that I think will really help you out a lot and help you get some clarity on where you want your life to be headed. Because if you just have a bunch of money and no direction, not really useful. It's good to know the things that you want out of life and which direction you want your life to head in. And I think this is going to be a very interesting letter for you guys. So go check that out. It's free. And I'll see you guys next time, man. Y'all take care.